Welcome to our channel. Today we are exploring an incredible animal behavior, social intelligence in the wild. But we're not just talking about your typical animal friendships. The jungle is a symphony of sounds and a tapestry of scents, and the animals here have a lot to talk about. Chimpanzees using sticks to fish for termites. Monkeys using rocks to crack open nuts. From the symbiotic relationship between ants and aphids to the complex social structures of primates, we'll see how animals rely on each other for survival and prosperity. The jungle is a place where different species cooperate, where communication and collaboration lead to success. Share your thoughts and experiences below. Your comments matter, and they could be the start of an amazing conversation. You might just jump up and down in a playful mood. But in the world of the jungle, being called a monkey could be a matter of life and death. As a jaguar closes in, the monkeys react with a mix of terror and determination. Some freeze in fear, while others let out ear-piercing screams, desperately trying to alert their troop mates. But what makes them so smart? What sets them apart from other animals? Primates use a combination of vocalizations, facial expressions, and body language to convey a variety of messages. For example, chimpanzees have a repertoire of calls to communicate the presence of predators, food, or potential mates. Their calls can convey specific information, such as the type of threat or the location of food sources. This sophisticated communication system enables them to coordinate social interactions, establish dominance hierarchies, and share vital information within their groups. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting discoveries. Until then, keep wondering, keep exploring, and keep discovering the wonders of the natural world. Primates are highly adaptable, living in diverse habitats ranging from tropical rainforests to mountainous regions. Primates, particularly apes, have larger brains compared to many other mammals of similar size. In highly social species like chimpanzees and bonobos, individuals must navigate intricate social hierarchies, form alliances, and negotiate conflicts. Social intelligence is essential for survival and reproduction in these species. This increased brain size is thought to be related to their complex social interactions and cognitive abilities. The larger brain allows for more advanced cognitive processes, including problem solving, decision-making, and social cognition. They exhibit a wide range of behaviors and social structures, from the solitary orangutan to the highly sociable chimpanzee. But there's one particularly brave monkey who springs into action. With a strength born out of desperation, he lets out a deafening howl, a signal that echoes through the jungle, summoning his fellow monkeys to rally together against their common enemy. That's because the howler monkey has taken its name to heart. Its howls can carry over to miles, helping them communicate across vast distances. For a moment, the fate of the troop hangs in the balance. By understanding the factors that contribute to primate intelligence, such as communication complexity and brain size, researchers can gain a deeper understanding of how intelligence manifests in different species, including our own. But as the jaguar hesitates, sensing the monkey's fierce determination, it decides to retreat into the shadows, disappearing into the dense foliage. The monkeys erupt into a cacophony of relieved screams, their bodies trembling with adrenaline. They survived another close encounter with death. And you, having witnessed this firsthand, feel humbled by the raw power of nature that you just observed. But these howls aren't just loud noises. They're complex signals carrying information about everything from a nearby predator to a tasty fruit tree. These are not just clever tricks. They are examples of learned behavior, adaptation, and sheer ingenuity. Your heart pounds in your chest. Is it a warning, a territorial dispute, or something even more alarming? As you cautiously move forward, trying to locate the source of the sound, you come across a troop of howler monkeys. Their fur is matted and their eyes wide with fear. They've just spotted a jaguar slinking through the undergrowth, its sleek form moving with deadly grace. These animals are using their cognitive abilities to overcome challenges, find food, and protect themselves from predators. It is a testament to the power of the mind and a reminder that animals are much more than we may think. From the intricate dances of the male bowerbird who build elaborate structures to attract a mate to the warning calls of a troop of monkeys alerting their group of a lurking predator. Visual signals, vocalizations, scent markings, all of these play a part in the daily lives of jungle animals. Scientists are using cutting-edge technology like bioacoustics to decode these complex communication patterns. By understanding the language of the jungle, we'll unlock a whole new level of understanding of these incredible creatures. We are diving deep into the complex social interactions, communication, and problem-solving skills of animals in one of the most challenging and rewarding environments on Earth, the jungle. Our first stop on this wild journey is the animal's secret language. But it's not just about communication. Next, we'll look at how animals use their smarts to solve problems. It is a reminder that we are part of the natural world and that the more we understand it, the better we can protect it. And finally, we'll witness the power of groups, the strengths of numbers, and the wisdom of the collective. As we wrap up our journey, we'll see how studying animal social intelligence not only helps us understand these amazing creatures better, but also provides insights into our own behavior. So, are you ready to unlock the secrets of the jungle? Are you excited to discover the hidden world of animal intelligence? Imagine if someone called you a monkey. Now picture this. You're exploring a dense jungle and suddenly you hear a blood-curdling scream in the trees. In that moment, you realize you're witnessing a primal drama unfold before your eyes, a struggle between life and death, predator and prey. Together, they stand their ground, forming a united front against the encroaching danger. It's time to take a closer look at our primate cousins and their fascinating social intelligence. One of the factors contributing to their social intelligence is their complex communication system. Another key factor is their large brain size relative to their body size. Social intelligence is crucial for primates, especially in their natural habitats. It helps them navigate complex social environments, establish and maintain social bonds, and secure resources. Studying primate behavior, including their communication, social structures, and cognitive abilities, provides valuable insights into the evolution of social intelligence in general. Join us in the next episode as we continue to explore the fascinating world of animal behavior and uncover more secrets of the wild.